Alright guys, I'm just doing a quick pocket dump. Hadn't done this in a few months, so here we go. This is what I had on me while I was at work today, and I've gotten home and emptied my pockets, so I figured this would be a good time to do it. First thing is my Streamlight Micro Stream. I've had this a long time now, probably about 3 years. You can see some of the finish is wearing off. I got this green tape on it, so that if I sit it down somewhere and don't remember where I put it, it's a little bit easier to see. Next thing is this knife that my brother got me. It's made by Outdoor Edge. It says right there 3.0 Onyx Light. It's got interchangeable blades, and it does have a pocket clip on it. Pretty good small knife, and I like it because you can change the blades out and you ain't got to worry about sharpening it when the blade gets dull. Got this pair of cheap, like $30 Calcutta sunglasses. They're polarized. I like them because I work out on the water every day, and polarized sunglasses are nice when you're doing something like that. My pen I carry every day, my favorite pen. It's a Parker Jotter. I've had this maybe about 1.5 years. Changed the ink out in it several times. I bought some refills on Amazon. Writes real good. I think it's a nice looking pen. Then I got my if I get the camera to focus here. Camera will not focus. But anyway, this is a Timex Iron Man watch. Got it off Amazon for about $30. That ain't coming through very clear at all. There you go. Timex Iron Man. I like it. Looks nice. Real durable. Hadn't had it very long. Then my wallet. I got this off CountyCom for like $11. It's the woven Dyneema credit card holder, and this is made out of sailboat sail material. It's thin. I carry it in my front pocket. Ever since I started carrying a front pocket wallet, I don't like carrying a wallet in my back pocket anymore because it's uncomfortable to sit on while I'm driving or something like that. I'm filming this on my phone. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy A50, and I carry it clipped on my belt every day in this holster. And then lastly, I got my keys, and I carry them on this Black Diamond carabiner. Holds pretty good and sturdy. It's a nice looking carabiner, I think. Then I got this little O light on here. Had that a long time. Seen quite a bit of use. I got this little Kershaw knife. It's got a bottle opener on it. And P38 can opener. And you can see, so you can get an idea of how much stuff this is. That's it, y'all. Have a good night.